Mooch Lifers, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. We got something. I'm gonna show you what it is. Today's vlog is about cars. The Camaro is back on the channel, guys. Quick little review on a gadget. I don't even know if it works. Let's go figure out what it is and if it works for the car. Camaro time right here on Mooch Life. So it's been a while here on the vlogs. We're gonna head out to the garage, get the car out in the driveway so we can work the magic here. I got a little issue I want to resolve. Get the baked beans off the trunk. I don't know what that's about. And the original Coffee Mate creamer. Package of distilled water. We don't need any of that. But over here in the corner, we've got our battery tender plugged into the wall. It's green. It says that the battery is charged up. Little old towel so that the wire doesn't scratch my car, which if you guys have been on the channel for a while, you know this is a vinyl wrap, so it ain't scratching it anyways. Whoops, I just dropped that plug on the ground. I hope it didn't like crack. Come on, girl, where you at? It's hard with one hand. I always mess this up with one hand. Like I don't even know how to open the hood of my own vehicle. Why am I like... And then I have the positive terminal, you know, batteries in the trunk if you guys didn't know that. So they give you a little jump pack area here. So the screw knob right here, I put the negative on. That's for the original air box, but since we got this cold air inductions aftermarket one, we go ahead and put it there, and then the positive on the positive terminal like so. And when I don't drive the car all winter, it keeps my battery charged up. So does she unlock? Yes, she does. Oh, baby. That's exciting to get into this car. You've seen some of my playlists of the Camaro. I take care of it pretty decent. I don't drive it too hard. It's pretty stock. How about a cold start in the garage here? And the LS3 roars to life, baby. So this is what we want to deal with today, is the tire monitor system, the TPMS sensor in it. It blinks, you got the little wrench there, and there's nothing technically wrong with it. It's because of my aftermarket tires and wheels. You can see peekaboo right in the corner there under that tarp. I have aftermarket ones and I never synced them up to this car. Just a little baby rev there. She hasn't been alive all winter. Gotta take it easy. Take it easy. See the little yellow symbol there? That's an issue. So let's see if we can figure it out. I don't really know exactly how to do this, but I'm gonna wing it. We got our Amazon package here, so let's open it up. Yes. And we've got the Super EL50448 2-in-1 TPMS Relearn tool. So let's check it out here. It's supposed to be good for GM and Ford. So we'll open it up. I'm going to go ahead and put the link to this product in the description. I just bought it on my own because I wanted to sync up my stuff. So pretty simple. Take it out of this package here. You got a little handheld contraption there. It's got like one button. It's got a G for GM and an F for Ford, so you just have to highlight which one you're doing here. It says to keep it in a dry and cool place. Obvious. Don't expose it to fire, of course. And please use the instructions, blah blah. And it takes batteries. It takes a 9-volt. And I don't think we have one of those. Let me go check. Would you look at that? Duracell coming in clutch. Let's put this thing in there. I guess I should read the directions real quick. It does come with a little pamphlet. I guess there's probably a difference between the Ford. Oh, there is. Look at that. First page I opened it up to. It tells you that if you're doing a Ford valve stem versus a GM valve stem, you have to hold the thing a different way. So the little radar, Bluetooth, whatever. Bim, bim, bim. All right, I hit the button, it's blinking forward. I don't want that, I want GM. How do you switch it to freaking GM? Okay. I guess I need to read the directions some more. All right, so it says to hold it in for 5 seconds. See if that works. There, now it's blinking GM. That's what we want. Now the exciting part, and let's see if we can figure this out, because I don't even remember how to do this, but we'll just turn it to the run or on position. I'll try to sneak you on in there. We're gonna go ahead and turn our dial. Nope, I lied. We're gonna go ahead and hit vehicle information menu with the little button there, which is the menu. And then that brings us to oil life, and then we just toggle that up and down. We got speed warning, units, tire pressure. There it is. Okay, so now what do I do here? I think set and clear. We press that. Didn't do anything. Let's try again. Let's hold it in. Oh, look, there it is. Are you sure you want to relearn? So we'll scroll up to yes and hit it. Okay, double beat. So I'm pretty sure that we're supposed to do the front driver first. All right, is that working? I think it was like, hold it down here. I don't know, maybe if I'm supposed to do it against the tire. I don't know where the sensor sits. Oh, there it goes. All right, so it honked because it set it, so it's on the tire directly in front of the valve stem. So what it did was, as the front driver headlight was lit up, and we come over here where we can see, I'm sorry, it was the turn signal light, but now this light is lit up, and that's because it's time to do this one. So we'll go to the valve stem, right on the tire below it, click our button, and there it goes. And then we're gonna come up over here. Wow, I can't believe this thing worked. This is only 15 bucks or something like that. Now you can see our back brake light is lit up. So it's telling us it's time to do the passenger rear tire. So we'll go ahead and put said instrument against, press the button, it blinks, it honks, and then we'll come over here. We got the last light is lit up telling us to do here. And I'm pretty certain after we get this one done, it'll do a double honk and all the lights go off for a second. Tells you you're done learning your TPMS sensor. And there it is, guys. Oh, there it is, the double beep. I can't believe that worked. That was so easy. So for 15 bucks, what the heck? So let's check it out. And there we are. All our tire pressures visible. How easy is that? And then my little TPMS on the dash there went away. How awesome. Just real quick, I forgot to tell you guys why that wasn't matched up. It's kind of easy to tell, but those are aftermarket wheels. Those are the Ultra Night 423s, I believe is what they call those, and different tires. The stock ones are in there, so when I take them off and I put these on, the TPMS sensors aren't synced. And Mrs. Mooch is out in the garage. You might as well come on over here. So here's the deal, guys. We were trying to decide what we're gonna do because tomorrow, right here on Mooch Life, we are leaving for vacation. Yeah. But here's the dilemma. Truck or car? What are we taking? Mrs. Mooch wants to take, what did you want to take? The car. The Car.
Truck.
Car.
Truck.
Car. Car.
Truck.
We're taking the Camaro back to Florida. Come along for the ride. We'll get some cool scenic shots and all that jazz. I'll put it right up here in the corner. You can check out our Panama City beach vacation down in Florida. We're going to a similar spot, different city. Not going to spoil that surprise right here, but it's my life. I'm Mooch. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this install. I will link that gadget in the description below. It's worth 15 bucks. Join us on the road. Thanks for watching Mooch Life, and peace out.